Guys, you've probably already seen the video. It looks just like a realistic movie. This is a King Kong versus dinosaur type of video, and as you can see, this channel has around 64 million views on this video. Now, we're also going to create realistic movies inspired by this type of content. Dinosaur movies are extremely popular these days, and we can create amazing scenes like King Kong fighting a dinosaur, or we can add a giant lizard and create different cinematic action scenes. With the right approach, you can create realistic AI movies like these and potentially get millions of views on YouTube. I'm going to explain everything in this complete course. The prompt is extremely important, and I'll also show you exactly how to use prompts to create these types of cinematic movies. We'll create complete cinematic scenes with background music, sound effects, realistic visuals, and everything else, using Seedance 2.5. I'll show you step by step how you can create these types of videos and build your own realistic AI movies. So let's get started and see how we can create trending dinosaur videos like these and reach unlimited views on YouTube. And before we start, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Alright guys, let's get started. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look at the AI video model we'll be using. Seedance 2.5. The latest generation video model from Higgsfield. With Seedance 2.5, you can generate to 30 seconds of cinematic video in a single generation while maintaining consistent characters, lighting, environments, and camera movements throughout the scene. You can also extend your scenes, use up to 50 reference images, maintain consistency across multiple characters, and create videos from text, images, or existing footage. Seedance 2.5 also comes with powerful editing capabilities, including timestamp level control, green screen editing, camera perspective adjustments, and reference-based editing. Whether you're creating AI short films, action sequences, music videos, commercials, or social media content, what you need to do first is open ChatGPT. Once you open it, you'll see this prompt. Simply copy and paste the entire prompt into ChatGPT. Once you've pasted the complete prompt, just type, "Give me 15 cinematic video scene prompts." ChatGPT will then generate 15 of the best cinematic video prompts for you. You can generate as many as you want, 15, 50, 60, or even more. It's completely up to you. Now, how do you use these prompts? After that, simply copy one of the prompts, go to the image section, and paste the prompt there. You can generate your image directly from here. Go to the image section, paste the prompt, and your image will be ready, just like you can see here. But the main point is Seedance 2.5. That's the important tool we're going to use. Now I'll explain Seedance 2.5 in detail and show you all of its advantages and what makes it so useful. Now I'll paste these 5 prompts directly into Seedance 2.5. You can also adjust the settings based on your preference, such as choosing a 30-second duration, high quality, standard or large file size, 16:9. Generate the video in HD quality. As soon as I click Generate, Seedance 2.5 starts creating the video, and the process only takes a short amount of time. The biggest advantage here is that you no longer need to animate every scene individually. Previously, you had to copy and paste each prompt separately, which could take a lot of time. But now, you can simply copy 5 or 6 scenes at once, paste them together, and let the AI automatically create a smooth 30-second cinematic video, while keeping the character consistent throughout all the scenes. And now, the first video is ready. Let's take a look at the result. The first scene looks absolutely amazing. It feels like something straight out of a real movie. The details are impressive. It is incredible. Now, I'll move on to the next 5 prompts, from prompt 6 to prompt 10. Copy them together and paste them directly into Seedance 2.5 to create the next part of the video. Once again, the next video starts generating. As you can see, the second video is now ready, and the results look incredibly realistic. And the best part is, you can create videos like this yourself with just a few prompts. Now that we've learned how to create cinematic videos with Seedance 2.5, let's move on to one of its most powerful features: 50 references. This feature allows you to combine multiple types of content in a single project, including up to 10 videos, 10 audio files, and 30 images. Seedance 2.5 can use these references together, animate them, and combine everything into one complete video. Now, let me show you exactly how this powerful feature works and explain how you can use it to create even more advanced AI videos. You can combine up to 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio files, all at the same time. Simply upload your references, and Seedance 2.5 can combine them into a single, consistent video while maintaining the Seedance 2.5 combines them into one complete video. I'll also upload 10 audio files and 30 images, all at once, into the same project. Then, I'll add a simple prompt, such as arrange, animate, edit, and combine all of these references into one complete video. The great thing about this feature is that you can animate images, add audio, combine multiple video clips, and customize the entire project however you want. Simply upload your files, enter your instructions, and let the AI handle the rest. Now, I'll paste my prompt here and ask Seedance 2.5 to animate all of these images according to my instructions. Once everything is ready, I'll click Generate. As soon as I click Generate, the AI starts processing all the references. Video is ready. Let's take a look at the result. The original video clips are included, while all the images I uploaded have been automatically animated. What were once simple static images have been transformed into dynamic scenes, creating something that looks like a professional teaser or promotional video. As you can see, these were just ordinary images, but Seedance 2.5 has animated them beautifully and brought them to life. This is how you can use the 50 references feature to create impressive AI videos with very little effort. I highly recommend this website. Seedance 2.5 offers an unlimited 33-day plan. If you click here, you'll see the pricing page, where there's currently a % discount on the 33-day unlimited plan. You can purchase this package, start using the platform, create amazing AI videos and films, and grow your YouTube channel or any other social media platform with high-quality content. Thanks for watching.